today I'm going to show you how to remove your OEM, your factory fenders on your Jeep. This is a Rubicon and these are the plastic fenders. Now a lot of people are saying with the rears you can just pull them off. You should be able to just, because they're just held on by plastic clips, but I'm not strong enough, so I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. Let me show you. And I'm using a trim tool. This is a metal one, not the plastic one. And there's some little plastic Christmas trees in here. I'll show you what they look like in a second. I'm going to try pliers. They are very soft. It's hard to pull out, so I'm going to grab a pliers to try to pull them out. Okay. So I pulled it a little with the pliers. Didn't come out, but I pulled the top part right off. Let's try this other side. So that one was right here. There's another one right over here. And you can see how just the top part just kind of broke off. This plastic is like 10 years old on my Jeep. So let's see, there's one more. You can see it right here. We're going to do this one now. So this one is a little harder to get at just because of the tires in your way. Okay, so this side I just kind of pulled it out from the, and there's one up here, one up here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 on the bottom, and it looks like 2 on the top. These are a little bit easier to pull out because you have more leverage. And the stuff doesn't get in your way. So 2 at the top, 4 at the bottom. You just got to pull them out. Oh yeah, and these are those plastic side ones. But you just basically got to pull. Now that I've kind of removed the inner fender ones, it's now all about muscle. Because you're pulling away these factory fenders from some plastic tabs, and I'll show you them in a second. And there you go. Now, if you're strong enough, you probably wouldn't have to remove those plastic tabs. You could just pull it, but I wasn't strong enough, so I had to break away the little tabs from the holes. Easy peasy if you got muscles. You need to pull these off. You see that's what was holding them on. Some of them broke. And there's one I was trying to pull out, but I just had it loosened so you could see how it just pulled through. And there's the other one and those plastic tabs. Be careful when you pull these off because they shoot out like a missile and anyone behind you could get hit with these. Oh, I think I just shot someone. So that's how you remove your factory plastic fenders from the Jeep Wranglers. Mine is a 2015, it's the JKU. It's really simple. If you can, just pull it off using your muscle. And I'm going to show you how to remove the front factory fenders in another video, and that link is in the description below.